Oh my God.
Oh, I'm out.
Hi folks, welcome to Bird Dogs Afield and welcome to episode 2 of our Montana Prairie Bird Hunt 2019 version. Both episodes, 1 and 2, and I hope you watched 1, have a lot of bird action. So make sure if you haven't watched 1, go back and watch it too. Thanks for being here.
So we introduced our dogs in episode 1, but to recap, we have Dena, who is an 8-year-old, and then we have her 2 offspring, Cordie, who is a little female, 3 years old, and then we have Blaze, who is 2 years old.
I just wanted to mention that in the prairies there's a lot of wind. It's hard to edit it out of the program, so there's a little interference there, but not too bad.
So we're starting our day off with Blaze on this hunt, and we're with our wonderful friend Gordon, who's a local farmer in the Plentywood area, and we have much to be thankful for in our friendship with Gordon. Thank you, Gordon.
All right, folks, we're heading down. It's a beautiful morning. We've got our good friend Gordon French here. Susan's going to handle the dog. Let's get going, find some birds.
Got a nice point from Blaze here.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food, providing performance diets for the canine athlete and brought to you in part by RST, manufacturers of short chamber low pressure shot shells, Mud River Dog Products, fundamentally changing the expectations of the hunter and dog enthusiast. Pete Shoe Dryer, inventor of the footwear dryer, takes on the nuisance of foot odor. Thorogood, job-fitted footwear, handcrafted in America since 1892. Visit thoroughgoodusa.com for a dealer near you. Merkel Shotguns, made with pure passion and reliable craftsmanship that never fades.
Point. Okay, let's see. We got 2 lefties. Gordon's in a good position.
Yep.
You want to go in for the flush, dear?
Why don't you go ahead and move up?
Ahead of him so you guys can shoot?
No, well, you shoot.
No, you should. You're ready for. Whoa! What happened? Blaze!
Hey, whoa!
Whoa!
Might be a good-
Something that's running on him. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Get ready. He may flush that bird.
Yeah.
It's running on him. Yeah. I'm going to go down this way. He's doing nice work there. Relocating.
There he is.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'm out. Sharpie. Oh, I'm out.
One. Flock of them. I couldn't believe it.
My goodness. Boy, he did nice work there, Susan.
He did.
Really nice work. Relocated, pointed, relocated.
Yeah, I wish he wouldn't have relocated.
You get him on film, Paul?
Oh yeah. Did you have yours on, dear?
Yeah. Did one go down?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got one down.
All right, let's see if we can find it.
That was a lot of shooting for one bird.
That. Wow, good boy.
I want to get it on camera here.
Wow.
What a good boy.
Laser, I'm impressed. Good job, Blaze. Good boy. What a good boy. Good job.
Yeah.
Wow. My pup knows what to do.
Okay, I'll put my back.
Good. Wow, that's a nice big bird.
Yeah.
Huh. Right.
Wow, that was fantastic.
Wow.
You see where they went?
Yeah, they all went that way.
Yeah, I suppose they went.
Did they go into as far as the grain field or not?
I don't know.
I'd say let's leave them alone for a while.
Let's walk around.
Yeah, well, let's walk around, then we'll come around in a circle.
Okay.
Susan,
Yeah.
give me a high five for your dog. Oh my God.
Oh,
That's the best dog work he's done in his life.
Really?
yes. Yeah.
I'm glad he got to get one out here.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. Yeah. Yeah. It is the best dog work he's done in his life. Yeah. And one of the very few times that he's had an opportunity to retrieve a bird that was just shot for.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the blazer.
For a really beautiful point.
He's your boy, all right.
Fun just to watch. That point, I mean, that tail was just...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bam. Yeah. Yeah.
Just a quick break for a message from the folks that make this program possible. Then we'll be right back with more bird hunting in Montana. Hi folks, you know, if you have a new puppy, you need to be very, very attentive as to what you're feeding that puppy. Native Puppy Level 3 is what you need. It's a great start for your pup. None of the unwanted grains like soy, wheat, corn are in there. So Puppy Level 3, and then from there you go on to the Native Level 2, 3, or 4, whatever fits your schedule. Check it out. Puppy Level 3 for your puppy.
These work boots are made in central Wisconsin. Thorogood shoes have been crafted by hand in Wisconsin since 1892. We manufacture over 125 styles of made in the USA law enforcement, firefighting, lifestyle, outdoor, and safety footwear. Our facilities in Merrill and Marshfield produce footwear with the same dedication to quality we've had for 125 years. Thorogood Shoes American Heritage Footwear, proudly made in the USA.
You know, you didn't have to send him, and you didn't have to direct him to that retrieve.
Yeah.
He knew right where to go.
I wish he would have been a little steadier, but you know.
No, I don't agree, dear. I don't agree with him being steadier. Those birds were running on him, and he relocated properly.
Yeah.
There what?
He's
Your eyes are better than mine. Oh my God, yeah. Right up on the little, right off the little knoll there. Yeah.
And every day, winter long, 40 headed deer out there grazing on those peas.
Oh my goodness.
Every day.
You're good, good job.
Easy now. Easy. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Whoa! Whole covey of Huns.
We should see what he's got over there. Oh, all right. Goes one.
Careful. Easy.
Oh, there goes one. Whoa! Blaze!
Blaze, whoa! Good boy.
No chasing!
No chasing.
Look at him watch that bird, though. Okay. Might be another one. Okay, so Blaze has had a good workout. We're going to put him away and give Dena Dream a hunt.
Point. Point. I'll go in. You want to go in for the flush and have the gunners off to the side? Probably a pheasant, but we'll see. Go straight ahead. She's looking the other way, dear. Looking the other way. Got a nice point here. Whoop, she's going to relocate. She's being very cautious.
Good work, Dena Dream.
Just a quick break for a message from the folks that make this program possible. Then we'll be right back with more bird hunting in Montana.
Hi friends. You know, whether you're a hiker, hunter, jogger, walker, all of those activities create sweat and moisture in your footwear. That moisture leads to bacteria, mildew, mold, all bad things for your feet. To eliminate that moisture, you need a peat shoe dryer. The new PowerCell Peat eliminates that moisture and creates a better atmosphere for good foot health. Dead bird!
Touch it!
Dead bird!
Yeah, she's out there. You can see her. Oh, she got it.
She's got it. Let me get her the retrieve.
Right here, girl. Dena, I'm right here.
All right, I didn't have the camera on.
Dena, come.
We had a nice flush and I shot one here, and we're gonna get a nice retrieve to hand. Very nice. Good job, Dena. Very nice. She did some nice dog work there, dear.
Did you?
Very nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
She had the point, and that bird was running. She relocated, tracked it all the way up into the grain field, then it finally flushed. We got to get you some shooting. Dead bird! But she'll come with it, dear, I think. Won't she?
Dena.
Dead bird. Another nice retrieve by Dena.
Good girl. Come on, you can get through. She doesn't like those things. They're picky. Good girl. Come on.
Good girl. Good girl. Here's your mother right over here. She'll take it. That's the victory parade.
That's the old one there.
Dena, come.
That's a big bird there.
Yeah. That's the victory parade right there. All right. Yeah, that's a bigger bird. Well, I've shot enough out of this covey. Okay, we haven't seen little Cordie since the first episode, so let's give her a try. Why don't you go around to the right? Ooh. Ooh. Good girl. Ooh. 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 Whoa. Trigger. Well, we had a meadowlark there. We had a nice point, nice flush. Well, I was excited. Oh. We had one beautiful point. Gordon and I were both so excited, we were shaking. He came up on one side, I came up on the other side. Beautiful flush, he stayed steady. Meadowlark. Hi folks, well, we had a great morning. We hunted with our good friend Gordon French, and we harvested a few sharptails, and we had good work from Dena, and it was just a fantastic morning in Montana. Boy, I'll tell you, it looks good. I'd say 5 times she had her nose up and looked like she was going to go on point, and then no birds, you know, nothing.
Okay, so it's Dena's turn again. Good girl. Whoa. No chasing. Good girl, whoa. Whoa. No chasing. Good girl. Psst. Let me come back. Boy, she sure looked good. I'd rather have an occasional unproductive than a busted bird. Okay, so we're going to give Blaze another turn.
That was pretty exciting, wasn't it? Yeah.
So my shooting wasn't great, but Blaze did wonderful. He stayed steady to the flush. Good job, Blaze.
He did.
So Paul and I would like to thank our friend Laurel for providing space to run the dogs upon our arrival in Montana, and also for her videography work. And we'd also like to thank our friend Gordon, who opened up his property to allow us to hunt. Thank you so much. We hope to see you soon.
Before we conclude this episode, just a couple of tips. A lot of people ask me, well, where do you hunt when you go to Montana? And the answer is Montana has a state program where they pay private landowners to let you hunt on their property. It's called block management, and there are block management maps that show you where you can go and how to hunt that property. So that's very important. You can get those maps ahead of time from their Fish and Game department. And if you just go to that website, well, you can get those maps ahead of time. When you go to a block management property, an individual property, you have to sign in. There's a box there, and you sign in, and then you have to put a tab in at the end of the day telling Montana just how you did. So block management is plentiful, and you can get those maps easily, and that's where you can hunt. We do hunt a little private property, friends that we've met out there, but block management is just as good, so that's important. The other thing is people say, well, if I go to Plentywood, where do I stay? We stay at the Sherwood Inn. It's a nice inn. They allow dogs in the room. They've got a nice restaurant attached to the hotel, so that's very nice. So I just wanted to add those tips for any future hunters that want to go to Montana. I want to thank you for watching our episode 2, and I hope both episodes. We really had a great time in Montana, and as Susan and I always say, we hope to meet you in the field someday.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food and brought to you in part by RST Shot Shells, Mud River Dog Products, Pete Shoe Dryer, Thorogood Footwear, and Merkel Shotguns.